Hi guys, it is now a couple days later from when I last talked to you. I haven't been vlogging for the past couple days because there's just been some stuff going on in my personal life. 1 week ago, one of my closest friends from high school passed away really suddenly, and I found that out last week, and I think I was just kind of in a state of like shock and sadness and denial for a really long time. It didn't feel real. She was one of the closest people in my life since 9th grade, and we were still very close friends to this day. But I just can't imagine what her family is going through. So that is kind of what has been going on, other than moving, which has been a good distraction because it has been something that has been getting my mind off of the hard stuff and the fact that I'm not in Georgia at a time like this. Other than that stuff, like, things are really good. So I have officially emptied the truck, and well, I had a lot of help yesterday, which was amazing. I had 4 men helping me out. Sean, Josh, Thomas, and then Sean's stepdad all came by to help me unload the truck, and it was so helpful because now all my heavy furniture is moved in. Everything's in here and everything's a mess, but I'm really happy that everything at least is in here, and now I can get to my unpacking and organizing. The kitchen is a little bit more organized. I have some flowers, I have some tulips that I got from Trader Joe's, and then these are oh, they're just starting to bloom. Sean's mom gave me a little like welcome basket to my new house, which is so nice of her, and she gave me some daffodils, some wine, cheese, some treats for Squirtle. It was so nice of her. I have all my fucking shot glasses up here right now, which is just absurd because I don't even really take shots anymore. Like, I started collecting shot glasses back like when I was probably like 19 or 20, and then now I have more than this too. Like, I have all of these, and then, oh, I guess I didn't show you guys this because it's kind of covered up by the bed bench right now, which will be moved. But I did set up my little bar cart, which there's more of the shot glasses, but I think it looks pretty cute. It's probably gonna just go in this corner next to the kitchen. The kitchen's pretty clean right now. I organized a little bit. I still have more kitchen stuff to put away. Like, I'm dishwashing a million things right now. But I did organize like my mugs. There's a lot of mugs, and then this is where my glasses are all gonna go. Wine glasses. I'll show you my bathroom because I did a little bit of progress in here. This is not exactly organized, but this is just kind of like in the process of unpacking things. These are towel holders that I honestly might not need because there's one right there. So I'll probably just use those in another room in the house. Kind of organized a little bit under these. I have more products, I know, that are like, I have more hair products and stuff, but I organized this as like, this is my skincare drawer, primary skincare drawer. This is my hair drawer, which will have more irons and stuff once I find them, and then this is like my kind of, I don't know, excessive other things that don't fit drawer. So I'm gonna do some more organizing. Probably will update you guys when I have like a bit more stuff organized and unpacked. But like I said, I don't know, I haven't exactly been in the vlogging mood, but I do want to keep up with some moving vlogs for you guys because I love watching moving vlogs, and I know that I'll like look back on these and I'll be happy that I did them, because who doesn't love a good moving vlog? My comments on my last moving vlog were just so nice and supportive, and I never know to look at the camera lens or like look at the mirror when I'm talking to you guys when I do this, but I'll look in the mirror because I feel like it looks like I'm looking at you. But thank you guys for your love. Feels like I'm talking to myself now, which is weird, but I love you guys, and I will probably just see you a little bit later on today when I've done a little bit more progress. coffee table is back together. As you guys saw, I tried to put a rug here, but when I laid out the rug, I realized it was really dirty and needs to be professionally cleaned. So we're gonna clean that rug before anything goes here. But I kind of like the wood for now. It's my TV, by the way. I don't have two TVs. This is Sean's TV, which he will be taking home. This is my TV, which needs to get mounted. So yeah, let me know what you guys think would look better. If we just put it up here, not directly on top, but mount it on the wall up there, or this wall. But I think this looks pretty good for now. Hello you guys. I actually haven't vlogged in like 3 days or something crazy. I really have just been like working my hardest at getting things organized and getting things put together, and I have made a pretty good amount of progress, so I wanted to show you guys. It was honestly kind of such a mess, everything in boxes, that I don't feel like that's fun footage, because if I just film myself unpacking a bunch of boxes, it's just gonna be like hours and hours of footage to go through and then just edit it into like a fast forwarded clip anyways, you know what I mean? So I feel like it's more fun to show you guys like when I actually have things put together and have unpacked some things, like how it looks. So let's do a little update of the place. Probably the biggest change so far is that things are kind of put together in the living room. I don't know if this is how, everything's gonna stay. I know that we are going to be mounting my TV, which we did get Sean's TV out of here and we got my TV in here, but it's just on this bench right now, and this isn't how I'm gonna have everything set up. I definitely plan to mount my TV probably on this wall right here. I know I was talking to you guys about mounting it on top of the fireplace, but I just feel, for some reason, feel like the cords and everything, it's just gonna look weird and it's not gonna look amazing. So for now I put this mirror up here, which I hope to hang mounted as well, because it's a little bit like shifted, but I think it actually looks really, really good for now, even though you can kind of just see like the ceiling from it right now, but I still think it looks pretty for now with the fireplace. So things that I've updated in the living room: we put the couch over here. I think I showed you guys at least the day that I moved the couch over here, and then I tried to set up a rug and it didn't look cute because I need to get it cleaned. I have a little Squirtle corner over here. Guys, I gotta give a little shameless promo to these toys. They're actually made out of wool, and they have them in a bunch of different colors. All of the stems are orange, and then there's a bunch of different colors that you can get for like the mushroom top part. And I got one for Smokey, which I showed you guys in that vlog with Megan, and then Squirtle, I should have gotten him one too. So I ended up getting him this one online, and these are so freaking fun, you guys. So I think I like it more than Squirtle does. But his bed is back from LA. He has this little bed that's like a hut, and then you can flatten it at the top and it turns into like a flat bed. So this has been his corner, but honestly he's been enjoying himself on the couch, and he does have a little red bandana that he's been rocking. I've been burning some incense right here, so it's kind of going down right now, and it's kind of getting on my table a little bit, but it is all good. So I did get my coffee table in here. I think it looks great. I think it's gonna look a lot better once I get a rug in here, which I already have. It's folded up in this room in the corner over there. I have my purple chairs in here, which, they'll probably spread out a little bit once we get the TV mounted on the wall and everything, because they're a little bit close together right now. But so far I really like how I did the mantle. This is just like a loose what I did for now. I just have my Ganesh and my rose quartz from Ollie. This is just stuff that reminds me of like, I don't know, it reminds me of my old apartment, but also like the people that I love. My mom got me this. These are some of my daffodils that Sean's mom brought me the other day, and I put them in these little tiny vases that I found in my stuff, and I think they just look so cute all together there. And then I have a candle going right now. I pretty much always have this candle going because I've had it for so long. I think I want to just burn through it and then get me some new candles. This is kind of the little media thing that they gave me. I set in my record player, but I haven't gotten out my vinyl yet. But it's just there for now. It's probably gonna move onto a different higher surface. This is kind of random. This is from Meg, which I plan on hanging up, but I just have it here for now with another little flower. I set up my DVD player and some books. I kind of made these shelves look a little bit different. I've gotten some things out, my little YouTube plaques. Oh, you can see the aid from my my computer, which, oh, that's something I set up too. But finishing off here, Meg made this for me. So I just have some stuff kind of like on these shelves, and then I filled these with like DVDs and just little things that I wanted to get out of the way. Then this is what I set up for the little like small not like office area, but I think I'm gonna keep this here. I was thinking of putting my desk in this room and having like an office slash storage, closet, filming, whatever room, but honestly I kind of like the look of the whole thing right here. Let me know what you guys think. For now I just put this little rug from IKEA. This is one of my favorite chairs in the whole world. It's so nice. It's from CB2. I actually dug up this Miley Cyrus Rolling Stone cover pillow from one of my old apartments that I hadn't used in a long time, and at least for now I think it looks cute. And then I just set up my computer. Probably the most progress I've made, the most exciting for me is Sean helped me a ton. We put my bed together, and I was gonna put it in, I think I told you guys I was gonna put it in that room because that room's bigger, but then I ended up like just wanting to have this room be my room. I kind of like it a little bit better. It fits my bed really nicely, and it's kind of just like a space that, I don't know, I want it to be really relaxing. I want the space to be not crowded. So that's why I kind of wanted to put everything else in that room. And then so we just set up my bed. As you can tell, I resurrected my rainbow blanket. I haven't really used this on top of my bed in a while since my apartment with Megan, but I love this thing so much, and I think at least since right now I don't have any wall art, the walls are just plain gray, I think that it adds a lot. I also got curtains. I got curtains for all my windows, just plain ones from Target. They were like $6.50 each, like $7 each, because I needed 8 curtains, so I just wanted to get cheap ones because I didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars on curtains. And honestly, I think they look pretty good. You know, they look pretty good for $7 curtains. They're a little bit wrinkly, but I think that will just even out with time. What else? I kind of put together, I only have room in here for really one nightstand, so I'm gonna keep this nightstand. I have like a cool light over there, and that's just kind of like loose stuff for now. Obviously, I'm gonna hang things on the wall in here, and right now I just have some stuff that I took out. This is all stuff that will be hung up on the walls. So I'm excited about doing that. I put my end of bed bench. I put some twinkly lights from Target, and I also resurrected this pillow from my old apartment as well. I haven't used this in so long, and it just looks so good with the trippy rainbow blanket. And honestly, this room just makes me happy. I really like it, and I have had this bed since like my first apartment in LA, and honestly it's just an $80 bed frame from IKEA, and I never feel the need to change it. Like, I really did love having a headboard in the place I stayed before this, so maybe I'll upgrade my bed at some point, but honestly I just love my bed, and I don't really want to get a new mattress and all that stuff. So for now we're just gonna keep going with my bed. This is gonna be really dark and not exciting, but I have put some things in the closet over here. This is like the smaller closet because this is the smaller bedroom, but honestly it's like the perfect amount of space for the floor is creaking down here. It's the perfect amount of space for jackets and like pants, so I'm probably gonna use this closet for like shoes and jackets and pants. Let's keep going. I have one box that I still have to unpack out here, some random stuff thrown in there, some more stuff I have to unpack and organize over here. That's my other nightstand. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it because there's not really room for it on this side of my bed. It's too close to the closet, and I don't feel like I really even need it. So nothing too much has changed over here. The table is actually probably not gonna stay here. I got the curtains and the bar cart set up. I don't know if I've shown that to you guys. I got the bench out of here. I do want to move the table. I think I told you guys I want to put it on this wall, but I haven't done it yet. Maybe I'll do that right after I film this clip because I would love to see how that looks. But then this little tiny room, which already is really small, it's gonna look pretty empty, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna fill this room with. I feel like maybe plants because it has 2 windows and it would look so nice. Nothing really has changed in my kitchen other than I've just organized some stuff. And then back here I did put some, it looks so much better during the day, but I did put some fake plants, and I plan to change these into real plants, but for now I just have my fake plants that were hanging in my old apartment. Why do I feel like I'm losing my voice? Kind of been a little bit sick the past couple of days, like not super sick by any means, but just feeling like a little bit gross, really phlegmy in my throat. I just had this like gross cough and congestion, so that hasn't been exactly fun. But that's basically an update of the place for now. Without these boxes here, it feels, there was so much more boxes, you guys, before. Like today I really did some work on the shit that was in here, because when you would walk into my place it was just like boxes everywhere, and now I feel like as soon as these are gone, it's just gonna be like so much more inviting and cute. Let me know any feedback you guys have. If you think any of my furniture would look better in another place, like totally let me know, because once I move all this stuff, I'm gonna have room in this corner, and I'm gonna have room, well, I plan to put the table over here. All right, I'm just talking too much, Squirtle. Didn't update you guys on this room. It's basically, this is where I put all the stuff that I still need to do and I still need to organize. So I have begun putting my clothes away in these a little bit. And then I still just have a bunch of boxes to go through. I have my dressers that I have to organize and a bunch of crap over here. So this is the room that's like my storage for things that still need to be done. I kind of just close the door in here and say, I'll deal with you later. Okay guys, so I just set up my table over on this wall, and I can't decide if I like it or I feel like it cuts off the room in a weird way. I also have the option to move it over here on this blank wall, but I kind of wanted it to be close to the kitchen so it makes sense. At least it makes more sense that there's like a table in here, and obviously you guys saw it in here and I just wasn't a big fan because I can't put it directly against the wall in here, and it's too small of a space, this little room for the table. I don't think it looks great in there. I'm not sure. I moved the bar stools and put those flowers on there so I could be like, this is a real vibe, but is it kind of boring to just be like staring at literally the wall when you're eating? That's kind of boring. I mean, I guess I can put like, maybe if I put one bar stool here and one on the other side. It's also kind of weird because I have this thing on the floor, which is like my heating and such, and I feel like it looks a little bit weird from this angle, just like cutting everything off. I don't know, you guys. It's weird because I love this table so much, but I'm almost thinking it doesn't fit extremely well with the vibe of my house, especially because these are silver, and then a lot of the little accents, at least in here, are gold, which I kind of want to replace these knobs and stuff, but probably wouldn't be easy to replace stuff like this. I mean, this is a lot of silver accents, but I don't know. I'm feeling a little bit weird about it. I might adjust the bar stools and keep it here for like a couple days. I'm gonna see what Sean and the boys think about it. I'm gonna get some outside opinions. I want you guys' opinion, although by the time I freaking upload this, I'll probably already have it where it's gonna be. Okay, you guys get it. I'm not sure.